Wow. Can you believe how pretty that turned out? Oh gosh. I think it's beautiful. And this is going to be my Christmas chandelier. It's not going to always hang here because there's my sofa. I got low ceilings. But I wanted to share with you some of the things I did. Hey. And let's see. I got this stuff either on Etsy or Wish, probably. Could have been Amazon. I'm not sure. I'll if I can find it, I'll put a link in the description. And if I think anything else that I should have said, I'll put that in the description also. But that's my, instead of using crystals, I'll put that on it. And I got the glass beads here at Dollar Tree. It's a bracelet. It was up there at the register. And you can see the arms. If I don't know if I mentioned in the first video, which there'll be a link to the first video of this in the description also. You could wrap another row around here, and the arms would be even larger. And here is that that basket you can see in the background right there. That's my next project. And it's a Christmas one, but I'm not sure I'll have it done by Christmas. This large ornament I got at a thrift store. When I put that in there is when I fell in love with it. It just, if you're wanting to make a chandelier either for holidays or for every day, try to find something large to go in the middle. And that really set it off. That's when, oh man, I fell in love with it. And I have some napkin rings. I got all this glued. See, I needed to do touch-ups before I made the video, but I wanted to get the video out where you can go bead shopping. I wanted to touch that up with some paint and change the light socket or paint it. And I'll explain that in a minute. That's kind of funny. So that is glued to the arms. And it's also glued to these napkin ring holders that you get at Dollar Tree. And I put some beads around that just to hide the glue, I guess. But it turned out looking good with the beads there. And this little plastic shape, and the one at the top, that was a 5-cent Christmas ornament I got at a thrift store. That it had hinges, and the hinges are broke, so it was a nickel. And there's my long light bulb. That ain't what I wanted to put in it, but that's what's in it for now. Because I wired in a lamp light socket that needs either painted or replaced. And it'll probably be replaced because I didn't allow for the fact that you can't get a light bulb through there. So I'll probably get one of those with a smaller socket so that the bulb can squeeze through the arms of the chandelier. Oh, I died laughing when I realized what I'd done. And so I took the stuff, just ran it down. Let's see, where did I stop that? Okay, I ran it down each arm and glued it. And then right here in the front, I tied these on with well, I threaded them on fishing line and then just tied the fishing line on there. And I may add a little glue on the fishing line also. At first I'd had this stuff glued right in here, but I decided to take it off and use these because I've been Dollar Tree and seen them. Let's see. And up here, okay, in my first video, you see that the arms, these arms, the top piece was just bent over in a little loop to hang on top of, where is it at? This napkin ring. And I actually melted down little grooves. Let's see, how many arms are there? 6? Well, it's 3 pieces, but 6 arms. So, I melted it down probably a little over 1/4 inch so that that metal hook would, you know, sit inside that. And then I glued another napkin ring, which is buried under all this. I glued it to that one. And the chain is hooked to a couple of those wires, which makes up the arm for the chandelier. So, let me know what you think. Do you love it as much as I do? Okay, what happened to my focus? Oh, it's just so beautiful to me. Oh, and I want to show you something else. Okay, this is a candle holder. I got it at a thrift store. And it was supposed to be my top piece, which would have looked awesome. But I didn't know it was glass. You know, and the chains, you know, might have some pressure on it. So, I didn't get to use it. But if you're at thrift stores, what I do, you know, I look around, see if there's something I just want. But I'm also looking at things that I just, you know, I wouldn't want. Like some of the outdated, I guess you call it, gold decorations. It's got the ornate designs that can be painted, you know, or any kind of shape, like a piece of a lamp, you know, with all the curves and stuff. That could be painted. And, you know, if it's large enough. And they're probably, you know, at Dollar Tree, some of their pretty vases or something. Probably plastic if you want it lightweight. You could paint that or use it clear with light in it. And on this one, you know, I could have, you know, easily just put a light down in that little fake crystal bowl. And, oh, one other thing I wanted to mention. You know, the arms, like 2 of the arms were part of the fence, and I had bent them. And so it left me a little V shape. Well, in that napkin, let's see if we can do this. In that napkin ring, I melted with my glue gun, which probably ain't smart, but I did. Just a slot for the little points to go in, and glued them in there. I'm hoping that makes sense. But yeah. See, it made a V shape when I bent the fencing. And so the tip of the V shape is inside that napkin ring. And, you know, if I didn't have this big thing here, I could have hung something from the tip of the V that's inside the napkin ring. But, anyway, I hope you get some good ideas from this. And let's take the light off. I just had to hang it there in front of my mirror. I thought it looked good there, but that's not where it's going to stay. And I'm hoping to start a Facebook page, and it would be Kim's She Shop and Such. Say that 50 times fast. And I would love to see chandeliers you've made from ideas you got from my video, or just, you know, anything you made. Especially chandeliers. I love chandeliers, even though my ceilings are not much taller than me. Just have to watch where I hang them. Which I don't have that many yet. They're in my shop, waiting for me to do something with them. But, yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. And check out my other videos. And if you like some of the things I do, subscribe, and you won't miss them. And if you will, hit like and share on this and help me out. You know, I'm a new channel, fairly new, and you know, I'd like more people to see my videos. And I've got a she shop. I don't call it a she shed because it's an actual shop with saws and all that, but it is decorated really bright and everything. But right now it is a disaster, and my mom passed away in 2013, and I had to get her stuff out of storage maybe a year ago or less, because they over doubled the rent. So I'm like, I'm not paying over twice as much to store my stuff there. So it's all packed in my she shop. So one day I'm gonna get through all that stuff and get my shop organized, and I'll be making videos out there. So I really hope you'll subscribe and see what I can create. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you think about my chandelier. Thanks a lot.